Imagine this: one click on the wrong link, and your personal photos, bank account details, or even your identity is in the hands of a hacker. Sounds terrifying, right? But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to avoid these traps and keep your digital life safe. It starts innocently: a pop-up, an email, or a message from a friend. But did you know 91% of cyber attacks begin with phishing? Clicking on that link could secretly install malware or steal your passwords in seconds. Here's how they trap you: fake emails pretending to be from your bank, links that redirect you to lookalike websites, even malicious QR codes in public places. Here's how to protect yourself: always double-check email senders and URLs. Never click on unsolicited links. Use two-factor authentication for extra security. And if something feels too good to be true, it probably is. Remember, your digital life is precious. One click can destroy it. But with the right precautions, you'll stay ahead of hackers. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips.